Hello everybody! I am back for a very special occasion. It's me, Michael, the creator of Cook Before Watching and its content. And well, it's been a little bit since my last stream, but I've returned because Blender has had an update, and this is no small update. Some of you have been watching my streams and are not familiar with Blender, but at least saw my streams might think this looks a little bit different. I mean, for starters, all the controls I need, rotate, scale, rotate, scale, and move, or transform, or whatever you want to call it, they're all here. They used to be down here. And also the options for changing the materials mode. There's no menus and stuff. What the hell has happened to Blender? This does not look anything like Blender. Well, of course it looks like Blender, but it doesn't look the same. And also, I got right here, they've changed the way the menu sets up in library. Oh no, this is library. I forgot what this properties. I can't remember. Everything is different. Alright, not too different. For the most part, it's all the same. Like, everything pretty much still works the same way, I guess. Whatever. Who knows? But it's different. It changed it. This is like a huge update. They call it like Blender 2.8, but because of the degree in which things have changed, you might as well just call it Blender 3. This is like a whole new system. It is wonderful. I'm giddy. I am giddy. You might be wondering why I'm back on the rig. No, I'm not going to do anything to the rig today. The rig is practically done. I think everything's set up. You might notice a few little differences from the video or from the series of videos I made. Like, for example, all of the controls are now in color. If I put this actually in object mode, you will notice the color disappears. But when I go back into pose mode, it's got all of its colors so I can edit it and it's easy to see through it. And if I go into, I think it's this one, I can hide. I can hide or make ones visible that I don't want. So I've got good control and good visibility, or if I want to select them all, just make them all visible like that, and I can color them. That's something that was in the old version, but I didn't include that in my video, so I'm mentioning it now. But it's a new version. So much has changed. So much has been added, and I'm excited. I really am excited. This is brilliant. I'm looking forward to playing with many of the new features. Like, it's got 2D animation. You can put 2D and 3D animation in one thing. For those of you who'd watch my Spark of Life video, you'll know that I'm probably a bit fond of putting 2D into 3D. And the fact that they've now made it an actual feature in Blender, I'm just like, and I don't need to do it in like the 2D in a separate software and then composite it in a later thing. I can do it in Blender, and oh, I'm excited. This is a brilliant update so far. I haven't had a chance to play with everything yet, but I want to change that. I'm going to change that in this new thing. What I'm going to try and do, I'm going to try and create a scene where I'm just basically, I guess I'm just learning the new layout of Blender in this scene or whatever. But you know, it's going to be brilliant. So many new things have been added to it. Like, this is not a small update in any way. For example, the viewport, very different. You've got this haze thing or this fog thing when you zoom out a bit. You've got I don't even know what to say. I'm giddy. I'm a bit giddy about it. So I guess without further ado, I guess I should just begin, right? I should just begin. New scene. 2D animation. Look, see, it's right there. 2D animation, sculpting, VFX, video editing. You've got like new for depending on what you want to do. If you want to do 2D animation, click that one. In fact, let's click it. See what it looks like. See what this look. You got frames down here. You got frames. You got lines, fills. Guessing you can add new layers. I guess I'll look into this one later. But for now, like, let's draw new frame. Next, can I press like a new button for a new frame? Keying, new frame, new keyframe. Let's just see. Select maker, jump, sync markers. Nope. I guess I should look into how to use this one later. But frame, new, no. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look into how to do this later. For now, it's got 2D. I am So down for this update. So down. Right, let's start a new scene then. Now, what I want to make, I want to make a bar, a classic bar scene. Bars are just fun to make, fun to model, Let's. I guess the history's not there. Hang on. Let's get this window up because I like having this window up. Move this up a bit. Now, where's that history thing I can use to help be more precise? Median transform. I guess this is the history, or is this the location? All right. Tool, view. History, workplace. Nope. Options. Nope. There used to be a little window back here that whenever you did something, it would show you like ways in which you can edit it. Maybe it's in here. No, that's this. That's this here. I might want to keep this open because this is probably a handy one to have. So this is tool, which is also in properties, editor type. Yeah, properties. This is in the properties editor, so I want to keep this open. Or what I could do this, add another window, change this to properties, and set it to this one. So that this is always here. Let's keep it thin for now. Can I scroll up and down? Looks like I can, yep. And so in here, and if I select new tool, yeah, it changes up here, and the options of which I can do are available in there. Great! Great! So I can keep these open. Is there a history tab? Because that history tab was actually pretty useful, and I think I'd like to have it back, but it looks like it isn't here. So I might have to just try and be precise again. That was a very useful tab. Also, I think one big change they made is like no longer do you have to select things through right click, even though you're always able to change it, and I always did. It's now left click and right. I think control right changes the position of the 3D cursor, which if I go to view, I can set that to 0. It has rotations? Why does it have rotations? Set them to 0. 0 the rotations. Oh wait, hang on. The 3D cursor has rotations now? Neat! Oh, this is funny. This is fun. This is great. I'm loving it. What are you doing up there? Why are you up there? Weren't you down here just a second ago? Is it because I added a new window up here? Can I move you down? No? You just up there now? Whatever. Just whenever I look down here and I don't see it, I go, what? I'm going to be back up here. Also, what about the... let's go into edit mode. And all of my options that I'm used to are over here. There's spin. That's... yep, I remember spin. Smooth. I think that's a new one. Edge slide. Yep. Shrink. Flatten. I don't remember that one. Shear. What does shear do? Let's select a face. Set it to faces. Select a face. Let's see what shear does. Ah. Nice. That's new. What about I can make a rough guess to what shrink and flatten does, but let's if I select these two, or actually let's play with shear and flatten. Right, let's shear it. No, shear it this way, and let's select flatten. Shear and no, that's edge slide. Select this one. Ooh. I have no idea what that's doing. Alright. It might not be one that I play with. Polybill? What's poly... Oh, you're kidding. Oh, how do I fill it? How do I fill it? How do I fill it? What's the button I press to fill it? Polybill, what's the button? Options. Oh, it's easier to look in here. Options. X mirror. Topology mirror. Oh, I don't even know. How do I... Oh, what's the button I press to fill it? God, this is a great tool. I've been wanting a tool like this for ages. What do I hold down? Do I hold down Control? Oh wait, if I select them all, do I like enter? No. So I've essentially just created these. Now I'm just selecting a bunch of. All right, let's delete these vertices. I'll need to work out how to use that one. Oh, oh, over here. Oh no. Poly build over here. I don't know. Mode, object mode, edit mode. I really don't know how this is working. All right, all right. Knife, I guess that'll work as normal. Loop cut, yep. Bevel, yep. Insert faces, yep. Extrude, yep. Measure. That is very helpful. That sounds very helpful. Let's see how that works out. Select this list. Select measure. Well, measure. All right. Now, how do I get rid of that? How do I get rid of that? Just change the tool. Yeah, change the tool. Right. What else we got? Scale, of course. Transform. This is, I guess, this is general purpose. Yep, general purpose transform. Annotate. No idea what that is. Can I get rid of that? Is this like the grease tool back in the old version of Blender? I don't want that. I want to get rid of that. Erase. Options. Auto. There we go. Hold down control. There we go. I don't want that. Here I am just playing with the new features, but let's just get into making a scene now. Alright, let's delete this cube. Oh, there are no delete options now. No delete options. I don't know how I feel about that. Right, I'm in object mode. Alright, how do I add a new object? Add cube mesh. Here it'll mesh. Add a cube. Alright. Select all that. Let's go into item. Move that up 1 in the Z coordinates. Alright. This is going to be a desk, because what I plan to make is a bar. A classic bar scene. Now, I'm going to open up some Google Images first in my... Excuse me, sorry about that. I'm going to open up some Google Images first and have a look at some reference images for a bar. So, bar. No, not where a bar is. There's loads of bars around here. I want to look at images of bars. That's a good... I think I want that kind of bar, so that's a good reference to use. Alright, so let's bring it to shape, shall I? Move that up a bit. Let's get a nice toolbar. Tool. Why did I say tool? Tall. Alright, it's my accent, you see. Alright. Move that back here. Also, let's get into edge select. Like that, let's bevel. And here are the options, alright. Let's make it like 3 segments. Increase the profile. Huh? I'll sit. Alright. Oh! That's not how I want to do it. Alright, set it to 3. I feel that's too small a number. Alright, let's set it to 5 instead. I like editing on the fly, to be honest. Ooh. Oh, that's an interesting bevel. Interesting you can do that. Okay, let's set it to 1. Oh, definitely not. Let's set it to 0.75. That's probably the best one. No, it's not. 0.5? I want a nice even curve. This is meant to be the edge of the bar. Alright. Okay. That'll do for now. Move that back there. Then, I'm gonna... Ooh. I just realized a little kind of mistake. Actually, no, it's not a problem. Not a problem. Never mind. It's gonna make it out to be a problem. Alright, let's subdivide this. Where's subdivide? Is subdivide in here? Rip region? Nope. Shear? Nope. Shrink flatten? Nope. Edge slide? Nope. Is there no longer a subdivided here? Huh. Huh. That might be a little bit inconvenient. That's a very commonly used tool. Mesh maybe? No, edge. It's going to edge. Edge split. Nope. Subdivide. There it is. Subdivide. So now there's a vertice right there. Okay, now let's turn this on. Turn it to vertice. Turn on the lock and move it to that vertice there. Yep. And this one to that one. Delete dissolve vertice. Ooh, I was hoping it would actually make a line there, but I guess it didn't. Alright. Also, dissolve these ones as well. Get the knife out. Where's the knife? That one and that one. Then we'll select... No. Then we'll select this face and extrude it this way. Alright. Oh! No, didn't want to do that. That's... No, we didn't. Alright, good, good. Now, do I want this bar to go all the way? I don't think I do, actually. You know what? I don't think I even care, because I would like to... let's have a look at a couple other pictures of some other bars. Because some bars like go from wall to wall, while some bars like just extrude from... or protrude from the wall. Or some bars are even on a corner. I think I want this one to be up to the wall, so I can have like a little door here for the staff room. And this here, oop, this here is massively wider than this, so is this still on? Let's make them an equal size. That's, yep, that's an equal size. And do a little bit of a bevel there. So select that. Go back to bevel. No, that's insert face. Bevel. Make it one segment. Keep it as that. Do a tiny bit there. This is almost a completely different workflow. I am hardly used to this. That's not a problem. Alright, then let's do a loop. Alright, gotta hold it down this time, remember that, hold it down. Where's the picture of the bar I was using as reference? That one, there it is. Select some faces, particularly these ones, not this one, not this one, not this one, or this one. And extrude this. See what options we got in here. Regular. See what it looks like. How would it? Nope, that's not at all how I want to extrude. Object mode, nope. What, ZYX? Huh, nope. Regular. Any more options? Custom properties? No. This might be a bit of an irritant with the extrude function, because it doesn't have that option where I'm able to extrude straight from all the faces, or even extrude individually. Hang on, let's have a look. Face, extrude, face along normals. There we go. So yes, I can still do it. That's great. For a moment I was worried. Alright. Then I'm going to, if I can find, that's what I want this. Select this, edge loop. This as well. Might as well have that with it. Move it down a bit. Huh, just had a thought. No, not a problem. Never mind. Never mind. Alright, move that down a bit. What next? What next? Let's give it a bevel. Bevel, bevel, bevel. Move that. Yeah, that's right. Increase segments. Do 5 again. This time it's much smaller. Ha 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 ha. Lovely. Lovely. Hang on. I'm hearing a noise. Oh, are they already going off? Never mind. I don't think it's anything to concern about. Just hearing the dogs. Right, now I've got a question to myself. How do I make this smooth? Going to here. Instances. Motion paths. Visibility. Viewport distance. Nope. Custom properties. Nope. Now how do I make the mesh smooth? Let's go object. Mirror, clear, apply, snap, duplicate, parent, collect, relation, track, shade smooth. There we go. And I'm sure I don't have to do that silly property they used to do whenever I want to do. So if I go into here, oh, how do I make sharp edges now? Ooh, okay. I think I know. I probably know how to do it. Select that edge, sharp edge, crease, edge slide, mark sharp. It's not sharp though. See, they've changed some features where I'm kind of thinking, I wish you kept that the same because I'm just used to it now, but it's just a matter of learning the new controls, so it's not really a problem. Huh. That's weird. That's weird right there. That is very weird. What the hell happened over here? Well, let's just fix that first. Let's lock. Yep, that's on. Move that to there. What on earth happened here? That is very weird. Well, solve that. That was now. Oops. Selecting edge loops doesn't seem to be as easy as it used to be. Alright, now how do I make this sharp? Not in there. UV, vertex, face maps, normals, texture space, geometry data. Not in here either. And custom split normal data? No. Clear? No. Custom properties? Ah! This is too much of a change in such a short amount of time. It should not have done this. Alright. I can figure this out. I can do it. Collections, relations, parent. I don't even know what some of these features are. I don't remember names like this. Mind you, I never really looked through the names of the different windows in this stuff. I just... Verts? Faces? No. Motion path? No. Visibility? No. Display? Oh. Am I not able to create sharp edges anymore? Of course I'll be able to be. I just... Was it in here? No, this is physics. These are world properties of the physics engine. Rigid body world. Excuse me. How long am I going to be here? How long am I going to spend the entire video just trying to work out how to make sharp edges? Edges. Make sharp. Because here's the thing, they would be... There's no way they are stupid to enough. There's no way the developers would be stupid enough to miss something like this. But if they did, shame on you. Okay. Surely. Surely they couldn't have. No, surely. There is no way. I refuse to accept that this is something they could have possibly missed. There's no way. Absolutely none. This is still world options. Transform data. Or delta transform, whatever that means. Do I have to do something in here? Maybe? Normal edit. Mesh sequence cache? Not transfer. What about this? What is this? Particles. Oh, particle systems. Nope. Nope. Constraints. Nope. Nope. Materials. No. Ooh, maybe materials? First, let's make these sharp. Because there used to be an option in the old version of Blender where if you wanted to make things sharp, you basically just tick a box and say, well, yeah, you basically just tick a box, and then that would, what's the phrase? That would make it possible for you to edit smoothness of your model, but it doesn't seem to be in here. Maybe go to Object, Shade Smooth, Shade Flat. Alright, Object, Shade Smooth, make lit. I feel like I'm going to be here all video. What's collection? I don't know. I don't know what this does. I'll look that up. I'll look that one up. Nothing to show yet. They can't have missed it. There's no way they would have missed this. Alright, I guess time for me to use Google search. Blender 2.8. How to mark sharp edges. Let's see this. 2.8. Hard and soft edges. Quick tip. Blender, this is just... I think this is just Blender, not Blender 2.8. Sculpting hard edges. No. Tutorial. Blender tutorial. Yes, that's September 2. There's no way that's gonna... Doesn't seem applicable anymore. Let's look at the Blender manual. Maybe it's updated. Well, edge tools, mesh edit, Control E to open up the edit tool. Well, even though it's now all up here or down here, depending on where your menus are. Some things depending on your section. It's also create genre. Set edge attributes. God, I can't talk today. Edges can be several different attributes that can affect certain marked scenes and clear scenes. Edge mode, not mark sharp. Edges sharp, mark sharp, clear sharp. Sharp flags is used by split normals. Edge split modifier, which is part of... I mean, yeah, of course there's that. If I go to like a edge split, where's that? Edge split, and it does all that. But I don't like using edge split. I prefer it all to be in the model, personally. But, you know, it has the same effect. That's the thing. But the thing is about modifiers is if you want them to actually work is you've got to apply them, but I don't really like doing that. So, yeah. Split angle. Let's make this like 0. Plus is that 30. It's also that. Kind of has the same effect, but the problem is it's through a modifier. I'd rather it just be flat on the model rather than have to do it through modifiers. That's just me though. I guess that's what I'm going to have to work with today. Like I say, it essentially does have the same effect, but it's a little annoying, to be honest, in my opinion. I could add it's like when I add a subdivide, you get stuff like this happening, and that's why I don't like it's why I don't like edge split. And I could move it down, but then you get stuff like this. I don't like the edge split modifier because of little things like this. But then to fix that in a subdivide, what you do... Ooh. Alright, what you do... Control E. Sharp, or clear sharp, or make sharp. No, edge crease. Where's edge crease? Edge crease. Where's edge crease? Edge. Split edge. There it is. And you make that sharp, and then you get a sharp edge without that. Right? Right? No. Needless to say, I don't like the edge split tool. You can see why. I don't like it. But if it's my only option right now, then that's what I'm going to have to do. Right, let's get all my stuff back up. Because I can't see anything right now. Right. My reference image. Okay. Oh, excuse me. My throat feels very parched right now. I ought to get a drink. Right, so 30 minutes in, and all I've got is a desk. Doing great. Right, time to add another cube. Let's move this forward a little bit. Where'd the cube go? There's the cube. Also, the 3D cursor is not centered anymore. Move that there. Also, I love the new navigation. Or I can now do this, and I don't have to hold down Shift anymore. Oh, grimy! I feel gassy. Sorry about that, everybody. Okay, let's make a extra. Let's turn this off because I don't want that on anymore. Edge select, move that over here. And now my voice is cracking. What is wrong with me today? Seriously, am I ill? Is that the problem? Am I ill? I think I'm ill, but I don't realize it. Move that up there so it's level. Move that there. Move that all the way there. Good. Good. Alright. Now let's do another edge split into this. Let's have a look at the tool. Let's set this to 2. Alright. Now with these selected. Oh, no. Just pop. Yeah, there we go. Let's actually move this one further down. Alright. Where's edge select? There it is. Alright. I actually don't want to select that much. Oop. Just this. Oop, this. And that'll do. Edge or face. Extrude along normals. Get that out. Get its arse out there. Don't repeat my phrasing. Alright. Now, this might be a tricky one. Oh, no, wait. I think I know a good way to do it. Let me... First, I need to do... What was I thinking of? I lost my train of thought. Right. I'll... Oh, no. Set this to 1. In some ways, I don't know how I feel about some of the changes they've made. I felt like I had a faster workflow with some of the other options, and I feel like it's kind of lost a little bit, but hey ho, I'll work with what I've got for the moment. Alright. Then I will select these faces. Extrude along normals. Okay, and then what I can do, that looks kind of weird up there. I'll fix that. first what I'll do is fix that. This entire area seems to... Ooh, no. Seems to suffer from this problem. Oh. Dearie me. Oh. Oh. That's yeah, that's not wanted. That is not wanted. I didn't realize that. Ooh. Face, extrude along normals. There we go. Now I haven't got that problem. Oh wait, that's a bit far actually. That'll do there. Yeah, that'll do. Okay. Then I'll move this down. It's got a lovely little lip. Got a lovely little lip there. I was gonna do something else, but now I decided I kind of like that. I kind of like that. I'll keep that. And then I wanted to do this these faces over here. So get these. Alright. Then with a little bit of scale, shrink it down a little bit. Okay. 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 So I've got quite a lovely little edge to the bar. Let's add some more to its lovely status. First, what I'll do. Yeah. All right. Ooh, didn't mean to do that. Let's add I think what'll be a nice little detail is some splits. So like if I was to have like a column in between certain areas. So let's start off with one here. I'd extrude from here. I think just a regular extrude would be fine. Okay, that wasn't exactly regular. Does it like average the angles out? Yeah, it does. Alright. No worries. Alright, do the select or get the edge. I think lock is on. Alright. And let's level it all. Let's level it all with this vertex here. Ooh. Ooh. So like it just goes straight up into there, so it looks like it blends in. And maybe I could add a little bump there. How will I do that? I know exactly how I'll do that. Hang on. Ooh, let's actually lower that edge a bit, because that edge is a bit awkward. Turn this off. Turn lock off, and then get back to extrude. Select faces. Face, face. Extrude from that. And what was next? What was next? Next was... let's do some slide edges. So, edge select. Select that, and where's slide edge, knife, edge slide, that way, I think that'll do there. It's too much on that one actually, too much on this one especially. We've got a little bump there as well. It blends in quite well. Alright, as that one. Now, what might be kind of neat is a little bit of detail in this little... in this. So let's add some... let's do 9. 9 splits. It's a lot of... ooh, actually no, too much. Let's do 7. 7 splits, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think 6 will do, yep. Now select... I'll select some faces. Face, face, face. Is this the best way to do it? Maybe, maybe not. Actually, I think I don't want to do the out ones. Just want to do the middle ones. Now, can I do individual faces with insert face? Individual. I can. Aha. That is brilliant. Alright. And extrude. But this time, we're kind of going to intrude. Oh, wait. No, that was unwanted. Now goes in. We've got like a line. Got like a line of little crevices in there. Now, the annoying part, I've just got to... or is there more I can do here? There could be more I can do, actually. More I can do to make this better. But before I do that, just stretch a little. And my throat is as dry as a bone. I need to get a drink. So be right back. And I have returned! Okay. So, where was I? I was doing these columns. And I look at this now and think, oh, that could be better. That could be loads better. How much better could it be, though? It's... for some reason, selecting edge loops seems to be a little bit harder. Alright. Let's just select all of these edges. Don't want that one selected. This one, I want that one selected. That's not gonna work. Alright. Proportional editing still there. Set that to linear. Yep, that's let's make that a bit narrower to there. That's good. I think that's narrow enough now. Alright, yeah, that's a good narrowness to it. That's much better. I'm liking that. Now, I thought of a way I can probably duplicate that pattern onto these sides, but to do that, I'm gonna have to say bye-bye to Bye. Oh, uh, okay. I've got a bit of a problem. Right, let's select these and these. Dissolve edges. Okay. Now, is it a problem? Maybe it isn't. Maybe it isn't. So I could select edge ring, select edge ring. Where's edge ring? Edge loops, edge rings. There we go. Right, selected them. Then let's subdivide it. Edge subdivide. So now I've got a big line going down the middle of that. Right. And I believe these, if I select the knife tool, are level with that middle line. They should be anyway. That looks level, yes. Okay, select the faces. Ooh, one more. Didn't do the bottom, should do the bottom. Always do the bottom. That was inappropriate, I am sorry. Huh, I can do that without losing my selection. That is awesome. There's some great quality of life changes they've made to this. Oh, didn't select any of that. Right, delete faces. Oh, no. Delete faces. That's all of that gone. Grand. And then what I do is first I keep working on this little pillar here. Try and make it better. Because it can always be better. First let's try and do it with a bevel. Let's just do a simple 2 bevel. Very small one. Make it look a little more solid. And that's an improvement. I'll also do it on these. Make it look round. To make it look rounded. Actually, first off, what was I going to do? I know what I was going to do. Select faces. That. First, I'll select these on individual origins and shrink them all down. Turn off proportional editing, shrink them all down. Not that much. A little bit that way and a little bit that way. So you've got like a nice little... It almost looks like you chiseled it out, or something that looked like it was chiseled out. With a round chisel rather than a solid square one. And then I'll select, help make it more rounded, I'll select these corners on all of these. Select bevel, I think it's on it, and do that. So it looks nice and rounded. Ain't that cool? Yeah, that's cool. And I've decided I don't like that 3-way, so I'm going to get rid of that center line. Dissolve. Yeah, I think that's better. Alright, I think that's that part sorted. Maybe I should lift these up, because, you know, it feels a bit... them being down there feels a little bit low. But, there's all of this in the way. There's all of this in the way. Is there a pattern I can probably put in there? Maybe. I've got an idea. This might be cool. Might be. I'll think about this for a second, actually. Yeah, actually, I think I'll like it. I will like it. So, select some faces. My monitor says it's going to turn itself off. Why does it keep doing that? Select these faces. Not those ones, and these faces. Actually, first I should smooth out the position of these faces a little bit, because they're a little uneven. Let's test out this smooth tool. Repeat. I don't think that works how I thought it would. Oh well, let's just do it the old-fashioned way. Oh, did I just move a bit? I can't. This looks like it's at a weird angle. I can't tell if I've moved it. Maybe unintentionally. Even the mountain spacing. Right, move that down. Okay, that looks even enough. Then I will I not? Maybe I will. Maybe I won't. I will. What was I going to do? It's always that case of me. It's like, I will do this. What was I going to do again? Such a klutz. Well, not klutz, I forget. I've got very bad short-term memory. Edge subdivide. Edge subdivide. Okay, that's good. Loads of little what's-its. Okay, select all of the... Wait, I can probably do that. Then I'll extrude these outwards just a little bit, not that much. And keeping with individual origins, shrink that a little bit. Seriously, is there a history note somewhere? It's gotta be. Because that history thing in the old version of that history thing in the old version of Blender, very useful. Like, very useful. Like, you've if you had moved it too much, you can just be like, just change it a little bit there. Look, or if you wanted to be precise with how much you do something, you can just be like, alright, move it a little bit, then add a number. Where has it gone? I want it to be back. Maybe let's try another Google search, really. Blender 2.8 history. Undo history 2.8. I'm trying to Blender 2. I can't find the undo history. Objects. Duplicate object. That's not at all what I was. Edit. Repeat last history. Undo history. Is there like adjust like that's brilliant. Alright, copy that number. Control C. I'm gonna keep this over. Okay. Wait. Local. Alright. Alright. Oh, wait. So press F9 to bring it up. Proportional. No. You know, you should probably add like individual origin things for this. Alright. I think that's not really a problem. I can do this a different way. So select all of these. Select the ones I hadn't done yet. Alright. Extrude. With lock set on, move it to that vertice. Alright. Now let's select all these. Oh, actually, for a moment I thought I didn't want to select these edge ones, but now I'm thinking, actually maybe I do. Alright, they're all on individual origins. Turn that off. No, I don't. I don't want to do that. Okay. And maybe select these edges. Select, select, select. Ooh. Okay. Let's turn off individual origins. Let's medium point. Move them in just a little bit. Got a nice little column now. Anything else I can do to it to make it better? Also, let's bring all my menus back up. Chat. Let's bring chat back up. Let's bring encoder back up. No, I'm starting to think half a pint of something wasn't enough. I need a full pint. I need a full pint of liquid so I can get myself hydrated. I mean, that doesn't look bad, but I feel like I can do more. A little bit more. Oh, I know. I know. This will be brilliant. Oh, can I do it, though? Can I do it? Don't know. Maybe. Can I do it? Am I too late to do what I just thought of doing? I might be. I'm going to select everything and get rid of those bloody blue lines. Edges. Clear sharp. Huh? They're still sharp. Oh, right, yeah. The modifier. Huh. Let me just think of this. Anything else I can do? Because you know, I feel like a little bit more. I feel like it's missing something. Like this should be intruded a little bit. I think that's the word I'm looking for. Intruded. Can I insert an edge between these two? I can with a bevel. Let's try it. Let's hopefully the bevel won't spoil some of what I've got. Control. No, not that. I think I want to keep that as it is, right? So deselect that. Bevel. Set it to one segment. I'm worried about there, but let's try it. Yeah, I knew I should be worried. Yeah, that didn't go well. That did not go well. I feel like I'm a bit late to do something about what I want to do now. I'll try it this way instead. Edge select. Select this, and this. Delete these faces. Ooh. And select the edge. Select that. And edge fill. What was it? Face. Grid fill. Right. So now I've got a little lip up there. which is what I want. Then down here is another story. What I could... Alright, let's try something. Let's do an insert edge loop. Ooh, no, not like that. Not like that. One down here. Another one here. Ooh, excuse me, I'm gassy. I'm so sorry. Turn that on. Get level with that. Oh, that's weird. Why did it do that? Shouldn't have, but it did. Oh well. Move. Oop, not that way. Move you back to there, where you belong, you fool. And move that vertice. Move that vertice as well. Get that over there. Right. It's a bit high. Is it like, blimey. What is wrong with you? Why are you all like this? You're a weird edge loop. You really are. Ooh, that's too low. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, good. Good. Alright. Now here comes the tricky part. First off, what I've got to do, select this. Select all of these. And move these up. Let's move them up. Get the select the vertices now. These little corner vertices. And move these up. Alright. And then with the knife tool, over here, go all the way across to there. Then, simple function. Select the edges. Well, let's do it with these ones. Delete, collapse, edge collapse. So now I've got a lovely little line there. But for this one, vertices, where's merge? Where is merge? Merge vertices at last. There we go. Vertices, merge at last. Alright. I'm so dry I've already finished half my pint. Oh, I didn't have a pint, I only had half a pint. So now I should be able to do what I wanted. All I gotta do is select the faces I want. So where is face select? Oh, that seems a bit low actually. Alright, gonna have to raise these a bit higher, but should be easier now. That's all I need to select. Then all the as long as all the vertices I want to select are selected, then it all should move. Move that higher. It's got a bit more room. Is that about... no. Actually, that's about enough. Alright, select the edge now. Deselect them. Up to there, that's good. Turn that off. And now let's insert the face. I don't know if this is going to work exactly as I wanted to, but worth a shot. Okay, insert face. Ooh. It's on individual still. Alright. Global. Yeah, not exactly as I wanted it to, but can be fixed. Oh wait, actually, is that fine? That might actually be fine to have. For starters, first let's lower these, because now they're a bit tall. Lower them a bit, and then I can lower this a bit. Alright. Alright. Then select edge. Select that edge loop. And then these edge loops. This. And this. And then move it inwards. That looks better. Yeah, it's lovely. After all that, finally. Another stretch. There's my back. Need to snap my neck. Okay. Anything else to make this better? Looking at my reference. What I could actually, yeah, that's a cool thing to add actually. One thing I can add. Let's. What was I? Alright, first let's add an edge loop. Edge loop, add one here. I'll be fine. Now let's move it in a bit. About there. And an edge loop in here. Kind of want them to be as level as possible, so let's use the bottom one. Let's kind of use the bottom one. I'm going to add a little extrude in here as well. That's so that it kind of looks like this pillar, whatever you call it, this outcrop is still going up. So first I need to have some blank space for that to fit into. So let's... What am I trying to do? I am trying to select edges. Let's delete these. And then select... Oh no, faces not edges. Select these edges with the snap or snap tool vertex turned on. Select them, and then I will... It's now level with those ones down there. And so, with that, select faces. The new layout is confusing me, I tell you. Select all of these. Delete faces. And then, finally, well not finally, not just yet, select these, extrude this way. A little bit angled, but that doesn't matter, because what I'm going to do next is select these vertices, merge at last, merge, where is it? Merge at last, down here, vertex, merge at last, vertex, merge at last. Alright, so I've now got a nice little, whatever you can call it there, little hole that's got an edge loop around it essentially. Speaking of which, let's select edges, select the loop, face, grid fill. Yeah. Alright. That's perfect. And for this one, I'm not going to do anything too special. I'm just going to have those faces selected and insert face. And then move it down. No, I'm going to insert a little bit of a face first and insert a bigger face. One that doesn't clip with these. Alright. Actually, that's a bit deep. That is a bit too deep. See why I don't like... another reason I really don't like the edge split modifier, because it isn't perfect. It really isn't perfect. I don't know if they've gotten rid of that feature where like you tick a box and then you can just work with it out of edge split nodes or whatever, but I don't know. Something's changed, and so far I don't like that change. But many other changes I'm loving. I'm loving them a lot. Alright. Now, just for the fun of it, let's insert an edge loop here. I don't know why it's stopping. Oh, that's why it's stopping there. I see why. Not that it matters. It's all we need is this area here. And this is not going to be deformable geometry, so a bit of some weird geometry decisions doesn't really matter, because as long as it isn't deformable, it really doesn't matter. If it looks fine, then who cares? As long as it looks fine. What face? Select these faces. Insert edges. Let's make it individual again. And move them. Oops. Let's just do it a little bit first. Tiny bit, then a big bit. Then move them in. Maybe that's a bit deep. I think there will do. And just for fun, make it a bit wider there, and a bit wider there. Yeah, that'll do. That'll do. That'll be fine. Actually, I know something that'd be fun to do. Let's insert edge loop. Put it there, and put one here. First off, let's make sure they're both level. So select that one with that one, make it level with that one. Make it level with that one. Now, how do I make these two level? Ooh, I know how. That's not exactly the same. Huh. Huh. I guess it doesn't. It's not really going to be noticeable that much, hopefully. Ooh. What I should have done is a bevel. That would have made them both similar. Oh no, wait, that's not what I wanted to do. Select edges again. Vertex, where's vertex? Snap, oh wait, polygon or not. Make him level with that. Then, and then, extrude. Like a lovely little frame on these. Want it to look fancy. I might be a bit too deep. Alright, let's push them in a little bit. Ooh. Control E and get the bevel tool first. I think one will do. I think that'll do there. Also, I want to clean all this out over here. Get rid of all this. Don't want, don't want, don't want. Don't want. Faces. You've been deleted. Okay. That looks pretty nice. Anything else I can do? Let's think. I don't know. I'm pretty happy with that look, and maybe a little bit up here. Is there a little bit I can do? I think that's gonna have to do for now. Alright, now let's try the thing I wanted to do. In hopes, and I just hope it works, because I don't know if it's gonna work. That isn't gonna work. Let's loop, 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 loop. There's the knife, there's the knife. No, that one isn't going to work. So much so, that's probably not going to be mergeable over here, but... Ooh. I'm going to have to work with that for now. I'm going to have to work with it for now. Right. What was I going to do? Select all of these. Just want to select this half. Oh, don't want to select all that. It's going to take a while, I think. It's going to take a while to select all of these. Why does that look a little different? I know why. I know why. Am I gonna... Oh no. Oh no. Don't make me do this. No, don't. Ah! Had to deselect everything just so I can correct that. Alright, let's turn on wireframe mode. Oop. Alright, able to select that much. Ooh. Ooh. I can do this. I can do this. This is a little bit repetitive though. How you feeling, huh? You feel the repetitiveness? I know I do. I know I do. I certainly do. Okay, okay. Can I control D that? No. Can I copy that? Okay, select. Change deselector, select box, invert, mirror select? No. Side actives, select linked short path. Nope. Ooh. More stretching. Duplicate. Aha! I wonder. Whew. Okay. Just move that a bit. Edit. Just last operation. Set it to -1. Alright, and rotate it 90 degrees. 90. Ooh. Edit. 90. Oh, 90. Now let's set this to active element. Then with that on, I said active element. I said that. Fine, if you're gonna be like that. You mean software. You mean software. That is cruel. That is cruel beyond belief. That is very, very cruel of you. Alright. How... Ugh. Alright, I need to be able to move it down from this vertex to this vertex. Oh, wait. Ah! Yes! Oh, no. Oh, no. No. It was like that sudden feeling of like, yes, it worked, and then, oh, no. Oh, no. That's not much of a problem, really. It's just a little bit irritating. But managed to move everything this has over here, which is great. That's great. Alright. Alright. Now I just need to do some merges. What was it? Alt-M? No? Mesh? No, vertex? It was Alt-M. Ooh. Let's turn this off. Ha. Only second one of them. Yeah, I have. Right, now let's merge all these vertices together. Actually, would removing normals work? Or removing doubles? Vertex. Rip edge. Rotate, unsubdivide. face, UV, face, extrude, poke, grid. There was a remove double somewhere. I remember that. Edit? No. Remove doubles, remove... I don't see a remove doubles. I'm gonna have to do this. I'm gonna have to do this individually, aren't I? Ah, fate. Woe is life. Woe is life. Merge. Last. Merge. Where is it? Where is it? Vertex. At last. Edit. Repeat last. Actually, what's the shortcut for that? Repeat last. Shift R. Ah, frig. Merge. At last. At last. Vertex merge. At last. Now I can do it this way. Oh, what was it? Edit. Repeat last. Shift R. Shift R. Because it's much quicker this way. Shift R. I'll have to look at it from the inside now. Shift R. Shift R. Shift R. Shift R. Shift R. Ah, so much faster when you know shortcuts. Ooh, this is the problem I thought I'd run into. Okay, what to do here? First off, let's make a level with that. Same as this one. Let's vertex. Merge vertices at last. Okay. I think what I should do, get the knife tool. Let's do a cut here. Ah, I thought I already pressed enter. Alright, and one here. Let's get this vertex. Slide vertex, move it here. Vertex, merge at last. Select this edge. Dissolve this edge. And vertices again, select vertices again. Vertex, merge at last. Okay, that was simple. Shift R. Shift R. Grueling. Absolutely grueling. Almost complete. I believe this will have 3. No, this will have. I'm about to do Shift R again, but that will just move it to the side a bit more because I. Alright. Last. Shift R. Let's turn that off. Get rid of that transform node because that's just getting in the way. What the hell? Why is that? I'm holding Shift down. Huh? What the hell happened there? Is it not merged down here? No, it isn't. Let's actually just select all of these so it becomes easier to do this. Right, now that's exposed. What about this one? This one merged? Yes, it was. Vertex, merge, at last. Shift R. Shift R. Shift R. Shift R. Shift R. Shift R. And Shift R. There we go. It's merged with this now. It's great. That's brilliant. Brilliant. Okay. Okay. Now, we've got to copy this again. Or. Because there's a little bit out of place over here, what we could do is just copy this again. So let's turn on this again. So, hit the select box. Select as many faces. Well, I want to select faces as possible. Right, back onto this. I'll forget about that for now. I'll probably merge these in the middle. Okay. Almost got the repeating pattern going. Okay, I think that's everything. Okay, mesh, duplicate. Right, usual. -1. Edit, just like 90 degrees. Right, first thing to do. First thing is, where is it? There it is. First thing, I shall merge these at centers, vertex, merge at center. Could have done collapse, it would have had the same effect. Select all this. Select all this, right. And where do we move it? Alright. Let's hope it's you're doing you're being mean. You're being mean, software. Why are you being so mean? Ooh, something I forgot actually. Something important. I forgot. Rest off. Vertex merge at last. What? At last. Do the same down here. What's the Shift R? Alright, then with the lock selected, I'll move it to the same point as these, and all of these vertices. Just, did I? Yeah, I did. Fool! I'm a fool. Alright, select everything. Now let's hope. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Ah, there we go. Huh. That's really weird. Hmm. I mean, you can see the problem. It's just, there's an angle that I don't want. Goes all the way down. Ah, that is irritating. That is a bit irritating. Let me say. Ah, it's a little bit irritating. That means what I'm gonna have to do, just so I can make these merge correctly. Oop. Is what I'm gonna have to do is position all these with that. This is not the best way, but it's a way. So that what did that do? Great. Ooh, that's not the one that's not the one I want select. That's the one I want selected. Huh, that's again bit of an annoyance there. I think that one's already in position, so that's not a worry. Alright, almost got it all lined up. I still got that set to individual. Let's get back to medium point. Think it's all lined up now? Yep. Right. Another stretch. Ugh. Another stretch. Okay, so now that's all lined up. I just need to think. Because I realise... I mean, the pattern's repeating, which is good. That's what I want. I want the repeating pattern. So now let's select all of... I want select all of this. Faces, because it's quicker with faces. Try and avoid... Oop. I said try and avoid selecting this one. Back to this so I know what is selected and what isn't. That's annoying. Every time I think I've gotten rid of something that I don't want, it's still there. It's a work in progress. I'll get there eventually. But it'll torture me. It'll torture me. Torture me to the bitter end. We've got about 20 minutes or 20? yeah, about 20 minutes left on the stream, so still got some time to do that. Right, I think that's that selected, or what I want of that selected. Good. Now, mesh, duplicate, even though Shift D didn't seem to have worked last time. Right, first off, the thing I don't want, edge select that one, delete, edge collapse. Now it all meets there. Alright, let's select this vertex here. Now, hopefully... Oh yeah, I remember. Never mind. I'm gonna have to do that, thing again. But this time with this slot over here. That's no problem. Again, just a bit of an annoyance. You know what I need? I don't know what I need. What the? I was thinking, why is there a double there? There wasn't a double before. Stop doing that. Oh, and this. I'm pretty sure what I did last time. Yeah, I remember what I did. Vertex, merge at last. Same down here. That selected, turn this on. Move it there. I moved all of these. Across to there. Then I can do this. Hopefully, because this one is made of one that's already had these edits, I can just repeat the duplicates and position it right. Then I wouldn't have to do this process over and over. It would be annoying if I did have to. It would be very annoying if I had to do that. But this should hopefully be the last time I have to do this. Okay, so with that done, I can just select one face in here since I haven't merged them. Control Shift D. Aha, I was doing Control D. It's Shift D. And where in other software it tends to be Control D. And little bit. Just one vertex, and that's it. But I got it reoccurring. One more ought to do it. Or one more ought to complete this. So Control D. Shift D, I meant. I even swear Blender used to be Control D, but there we go. There we go. Got it repeating. And I think that's enough for that part. Anyway. And now this little bit here. Ooh. Ooh, yeah, ought to save it. I'm back in pots though. I haven't prepared a file. This is silly of me. I should have prepared a file for this. Let's CG projects. Let's just add a new file. Where's the symbol for that? There it is. Let's call this stream work. Put it in there and call this file bar. Save. And there we go. Got a lovely little bar. Look at how fancy that is. Okay, it's not that fancy, but looks lovely. I like it. And now let's fill in this area here because it feels a bit empty. So, select these faces. Insert face. Not have it individual. Let's extrude it up a bit. Where's the extrude feature? No, not extrude, scale. Scale feature, that's what I was looking for. Turn this off because that's just interfering. Insert another face, but very small one. Very small. That'll do. Insert again. This time go a bit deep. Ooh, actually, was that the best way to do it? Was that the best way to do it? Actually, probably was. Face along normals. Move this one in a bit. In a bit. And then... Actually, let's do it a bit more. Face along normals in quite a bit. Then select these edges right here, 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 here. Here, 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 and here, here. Then delete edge collapse. I selected a face I didn't want to, which is that one. Delete edge collapse. And we got a little intrusion. Then we'll make the border. So select this face, extrude along normals, just a tiny bit. That'll do. Select the edges. Control E and bevel. It looks like a bump. There we go. I think that's a fine looking bar. That's a very fine looking bar. Now let's solidify these a little bit. So select that, because remember these are all separate objects for the time being. It's got to be an easy way I can just merge these edges together. First off, let's fix that little deformity. What was I? Is the... No, it isn't. That's what I wanted. And, it's a little bit more there. And the same over here. That's weird. That's a bit weird. I can't help but feel like maybe this one. Right, let's fix this one first. Alright, I'm gonna select all that, delete that. Faces. Select this. Shift D. Move it across. And make sure it's level this time, because that wasn't level. In fact, this looks like it's a bit forward. What's going on here? This thing's a bit warped. What the hell happened? It's working over here. It doesn't look warped at all over here. I don't know what's going on. Guess I'll work that one out, but... Yeah, everything's slightly out of place. It's not over here. It at least doesn't look like it is over here. No, everything looks spot on. So why is it warped over here? Can't wrap my hand. Can't wrap my head around that one. I'll work that one out a bit later. Seriously, what the hell happened? This is really weird. It's like jumped a bit forward. Hasn't done over here, right? Is there a way to like zoom in very slowly? Yeah, it's not done over here. Like every single one seems to be aligned except that last one. I guess I'm gonna have to do some placement corrections again. Typical. Nothing's ever perfect, is it? Be great if it was, but no, never is. Stop hoping things would turn out perfect, because they never do. Sad life lessons. Alright. No biggie, really. Okay. My word, it was so out of place. How did that happen? How did that legitimately happen? No, not that one. No, not the... Now think about it. Did I just select one of those at the... No! Yes! Come on, yes. Almost got it. Wait, what happened there? What the root tootin' happened there? Nope. 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 Oh wait, yep. Okay. Now it's all in place. Let's save that. Alright. Now all of that's in place. I've got about 10 minutes left, so maybe I can work out after a stretch. Maybe I can work out how to do sharp edges without the need of this silly edge split modifier that I really don't like. Okay. Let's start off simple with these ones. Get my edge. Select these. Okay, let's mark these. Mark as sharp. Alright, so now these should be sharp if I can just figure out that little feature in the older versions where when I like parent type, no, this is relations, collections. Now, what on earth is collections? I'm going to look this one up. I'm looking this one up. Blender 2.8 properties collections. Collections and groups. Alright, what is collections? Let's have a look at that. Collections and groups. There's a whole video on it. I don't want to learn 2.8. The layer system. So this is a part of the new layer system. So I can... yeah, that's a great point. When I was making the rig, many of you might have noticed I was often parenting entire areas into empties, and that's because I wanted to... Reason I was doing that was so I could organize my library, which was a pain to do in Blender, but they've added a new feature where organization is much easier. And This collections might... No, this looks like an older version of Blender. Is this? Groups and collections. Layer system was revamped so that objects are organized. Yeah. Hierarchy collections. Yeah, this is part of that. Right. Right? I don't know. I think let's add a collection. Let's call it Boogaloo. Right? Did that collection just get added? What if I change it here? I see one up here called collection Boogaloo. Change the Boogaloo, right? Hide it. Right? Add a collection. Right, collection here. I guess I'm gonna have to work on this one later. So now this is called Boogaloo, and I'm not changing it because why not? It's fun. Boogaloo. Instancing. Vertex. Displace align vertex normals. No. Faces. Some scale by face size. No. Vertex. Okay. Motion paths. Definitely not that. Visibility. Show in view. Show and rend. Oh, show and render. Of course I want it to be shown. Selectable. Want it to be selectable. Viewport display. I'll do all edges. Wireframe. Ooh, that's handy. Don't want axis. Name. Don't want name. Custom properties. Is it gone? I swear it's gone. In this very properties, there used to be a little thing you can tick. I can't remember what it's called. Angle. Auto sharp or something like that. I can't remember what it was called, but like you can change the angle so that whatever you want could be like detected as sharp, and normally you'd set it to 180 degrees and then sharpen what you wanted, but it doesn't seem like it's here anymore. It's got to be somewhere. It's got to be. Why would you get rid of that? Seriously, if you want to put focus onto this wait, what's it called? This, where is it? This edge split modifier? I officially hate you, because I hate this modifier. I think it's the worst modifier in the program. We'll set this to 180. Will the sharps, things are marked as sharp, still be sharp? Yes. It can have the same effect, but I still don't like it. I still dislike it. Also, is there a button I can hold to... Ah, there we go. I can hold down control for a slow zoom, rather than using the mouse wheel. Okay. Because I think they've changed the navigation controls as well. But then again, I always set my navigation controls to Maya when I was using Blender. Okay, then Control E, mark as sharp. So yeah, that works. Here. I still prefer the other way, because I showed you why in the subdivide settings. Mark as sharp. Where is it? Oh no, not mark seams. Mark sharp. I want it here as well. Mark sharp. Also want it here and here. Now that looks better. It's a little annoying I've got to do this in a little annoying I've now got to do this with edge split, because I really dislike the edge split tool. And if that's what they were going for, to make edge split more appealable, I officially hate you, Blender Foundation. Because this tool shouldn't even need to exist. Okay, maybe it's fine. Alright, it's fine tool, but I think it doesn't have... For what it's good for, but it's not good for marking sharp edges. I didn't need to do that. What was I doing? What was I doing? And so these shouldn't be sharp, so clear edge slide, no. Clear sharp. There we go. Oh, didn't do that one. There we go. Huh, that's weird. That's a little weird. Alright, knife tool. That does not look right. Do some little corners here and there. Then, I think all the corners are already selected. Yep. Mark sharp. There we go. Then we can actually select the face in these ones. Let's do it in all of them. Okay, mark sharp. That's good. Ooh, 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 ooh. Didn't want that. Didn't want that. Control E, clear sharp. There we go. Looks much better when you do that. And then did I select that edge? Yes, I did. Okay. I realized I didn't write Boogaloo. Oh, I didn't write Boogaloo. I wrote Bogaloo. It's gonna be that now, Bogaloo. Is that the... No, that's not the edge loop I want. That's the edge loop I want. Mark sharp. Right, I'm making progress. Anyway, I think that's my time now. I think that's all the time. Let's save that. Yeah, that's all the time for this stream. I'm gonna finish finalizing this. I'm sure you can figure out what is left for doing this what's it called? This bar. Or this bar desk, whatever. I'm sure I can figure out what I've got left to do on this, so I'm gonna leave it here, finish that off camera, and gonna let you guys go. For anyone who watched, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the stream. What else have I got to say? What else? It's been a while since I did the stream, so I've kind of lost the rhythm. I guess, alright, thanks very much for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day, and always remember to cook before watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time.